Hello everyone, it's Weiwei here, and today I'm going to be working in my traveler's notebook. I'm going to be documenting a full-page picture of the beautiful sunset that I took on my way home last week. Now, I'm trying to figure out what paper I'm going to use, so I decided to use some Felicity Jane pattern papers and Vellum. I thought it fit very well with this picture. I really love this Vellum, which is filled with beautiful words, so I like to use it as a kind of architecture for my page. I just cut a heart from the Vellum and decide to stick the heart to the center of the page. I think it's a nice way to catch eyes and bring both sides of the day out together. And I'm going to use this awesome stamp from such as Twist. I'm going to stamp a life chapter to a piece of Vellum and stick it down to the center of the picture. I also add other stamping directly to my picture. I have to say that the stamp set is really perfect for documenting my current mood. Here, I grabbed some flower paper that I thought I want to use. I really love this flower, and the color go well with my layout. I will fussy cut it and figure out where I want to use it. I'm just gonna start going through some puffy stickers for my title. add some more embellishments to this layout and curl it down. Video. If you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye bye.